Titan. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome again to another video. So this is the Nike SB. No, this is not SB. Nike Dunk Low. It's a Nike Dunk Low, not the SB version. And Syracuse colorway, the orange one. The overall quality is great. I want to give a shout out to Sir Philip for selling me his pair. Size 9.5. My regular size is size 9 when it comes to Nike. So hopefully the fitting is not bad. This is my first time to use this model, so yes, it looks great. The quality, soft leather, look at that, orange outsole. It has a free white lace, so there you go. It's just Nike SB, but it's a Nike Dunk Low. So officially this is a basketball shoe, but after a few years it became a skateboard shoe. So I think that is a little bit of the history, but my intention is just to know why it is hype, why it getting a lot of attention, maybe because of the Travis Scott collaboration. That's why the buzz or the hype is real. It is only 4,500 pesos. By the way, I got this with a resale price of 250. It is also the StockX price, $250, 12,000 pesos, which is not that bad for me because it is hype. So, and the quality is there. So yes, I want to try it. Let's see if I will get the feeling of using this one. By the way, I'm also wearing Ultra Boost. That's why I want to have this colorway because yes, I love orange. So there you go. Let's try this. And yes, the COVID-19 virus is real, and it's not yet ghost town here or Zombieland here in BGC. By the way, there are only 2 stores that drop this model, Commonwealth and Titan. So Titan. So there you go, Titan. So let's do this. Now, to be honest guys, I think size 9.5 is too big for me. I think this is too big for me, but it fits good, but it looks big, so I think I should went size 9. So the first outfit is the black shirt with the cargo pants, a khaki brown cargo pants. I think it fits well. So that is outfit idea number 1. Now this is the outfit idea number 2. Yellow shirt, black pants, high socks. This is from Stance. It is a stain style high socks pants from Stance. There you go. So I think this outfit looks good. This is outfit idea number 2. So this is the outfit idea number 3, and I have here a regular jeans. It's not a skinny pants. I think a regular jeans fits well because a skinny pants will do with the Yeezys, but with the Dunks I suggest to go with a regular fit. So there you go, look at that. Look at the difference of a skinny pants. The skinny pants will lock here, but if it's just a regular fit, it looks like this. So there you go. This is from Uniqlo. The shirt, this Mona Lisa shirt, is from Pull and Bear. So there you go. I'm not a poser. So yes, this is outfit idea number 3. Thank you guys for watching the video. I think this will be the last pick up since there will be partial lockdown or community quarantine here in Metro Manila. So definitely I will not get any sneakers anymore. This will be the last, guys, the last pick up. Maybe I will get a sneaker when the virus is a little bit not here anymore. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.